The Easter Jeep Safari began as a play for tourism. In 1967, the Moab Chamber of Commerce invited the Jeeping community to ride a single trail on the Saturday before Easter. The attendees were mostly members and friends of the Chamber of Commerce. Now, 52 years later, the 9-day safari takes place on more than 40 trails and lures thousands of Jeepers, who put on one of the biggest and best modified Jeep shows in the world. Cue the designers at Jeep and Mopar, who mastermind new ideas every year for what a modified Jeep could look like, with inspiration from the experiences they have and the mods they see at the safari. We flew to Moab to drive the 7 newest concepts, and start the recap with the disappointments, the Buda and the 4-speed, but only because we couldn't drive them. Before the day had properly begun, those 2 designer Jeeps had tapped out. The Renegade, internally codenamed B-Utility, hence the Buda name, always feels like the little engine that could win place next to its Halo Wrangler brother. In addition to the cosmetic changes, designers put the arcane caption Lieutenant Jenkins above FWD 1337, explanations of those 2 means here and here. The Buda would have been nice to drive if for no other reason than shouting Leroy Jenkins all around the course. The Easter Jeep Safari began as a play for tourism. In 1967, the Moab Chamber of Commerce invited the Jeeping community to ride a single trail on the Saturday before Easter. The attendees were mostly members and friends of the Chamber of Commerce. Now, 52 years later, the 9-day safari takes place on more than 40 trails and lures thousands of Jeepers, who put on one of the biggest and best modified Jeep shows in the world. Cue the designers at Jeep and Mopar, who mastermind new ideas every year for what